Hi, this is Dr. Tamara and today I am going to talk about an amazing medicine and written by very renowned well-known homeopath, that is the carcinosin drug picture. Yeah. So before going to start, I would like to thank Dr. Praveen Shah sir, my teacher of lecturer Veterinary Medica, Calcutta Homeopathic Medical College, who recommended me when I asked that sir which book will be good to know the drug carcinosin. So I am going to share that what I got this book from this book, the key points to prescribe carcinosin and especially why you should go through this book. So this book is just 56 pages by Bijan publisher, but actually this all the contents and each and every word and sentence is so important that I thought to divide it into two parts. So in part 1 in today's video I am going to give actually what James is given and what important points are there, and in details within 2 to 3 days I hope in part 2 I will give each and every descriptions. So watch till end to know that what actually it contains. So the amazing book is written by Dr. Donald Fowester, renowned homeopath and visiting physicians of Royal Homeopathic Hospital, London, and he is very well known as a teacher of another renowned homeopath, Dr. P. Shankaran, and Dr. J. Hui Ban Hua, whose clinical and practical experience added especially in the last portion. So this book is absolutely starting with preface written by Donald Fowester, where it was written about the origin of carcinosin, and especially the in discussion part it is given absolutely that carcinosin is unknown origin, but usually according to location and site of, where according to site of carcinoma, like in case of stomach cancer then it is carcinoma adenostome, and in case of urinary bladder cancer that is carcinoma adenovesica. In such a around 6 location wise name is given. So this book is then different part and phases, it is written around 5 to 6 parts, and first portions is starting with the portion the carcinoma drug picture. In that portion in 5 to 6 page he has described why actually Dr. Fowester was interested to use the medicine carcinosin, and especially beautiful picture of children is given here, that how they will give the family history and especially suffering from insomnia, but mothers are having history of carcinoma and amazing result has got, along with how the look of the children will be. There is just a coffee in the milk, cafe lit appearance, this type of information, especially comparisons of different drugs like tuberculinum, lycopodium, sepia, and this kind of many medicines is given there. And this comparison portions was very much appreciated in the latter portions of discussion, where 2, 3 and around 4 or 5 homeopaths are discussing about the question sessions, that what actually this article and booklet is content. So this booklet came in the British Journal around 1967, but it quite old, but really it's up to date, and believe me, after studying this I applied in 2 or 3 of my patients and they are giving good result. Then in the second part in summary section, along with hereditary background and physical mental makeup of the patients, that is nicely described line by line, I will discuss in part 2. Then case history portion comes where around 12 cases is described in so details, and there all the points that what they feel and what actually symptom came, that it will really help you to got that carcinosin should be prescribed in this case. Okay. So after case discussions they are coming the portions like that is discussion of between I told 4 or 5 doctors, Dr. Ahmed, Dr. Fowester and Dr. Campbell, who really appreciated, especially the president Dr. A.D. McNeil, expressed that the comparison portions of Donald and his booklet is so much interesting. Yeah. So finally it is ending with some clinical tips and specially points of essential features when carcinosin should be prescribed and along with clinical indications. And lastly again some clinical cases is added, and some one appendix part is added here. So this is absolutely a very good book, and for detailed descriptions I decided to make the part 2. So honestly speaking, today's video was absolutely a tailor of part 2, where I am going to give video and detailed descriptions of this amazing book and each and every point of the sections I will describe, where I hope you will get a clear good picture of carcinogens and why and how, where you should apply this medicine. So till then, keep smiling, stay happy. Thanks for watching.